Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'll answer a simple question that I have seen a few weeks back, and you've seen it pass today from another user. And of course, when I do my videos, we talk about different things, Windows and other things also at the same time. And I will sometimes in passing mention that, for enthusiasts, some features are important, some things are important, or we like, new features and so on. And I had a few people come up and say, well, what is an enthusiast? When you talk about enthusiasts, what do you mean? And, Windows is divided into different categories of users. So there's the business user is the biggest form of user of Windows. Business is number one in using Windows. That is, and always was pretty much, and will continue being the standard. The way it is integrated, the way Microsoft has managed to have Windows dominate business, and Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, that's why it's big. Now, in terms of what else is there in the users, and when you go away from business, you have the home consumer. But the home consumer is divided into two categories. And one is the simple home consumer that needs a PC that works, that and often needs Windows. And of course, often is offered Windows. And because it's the standard of a lot of people, well, people tend to go there and are happy because they can, easily share, easily have help from friends and so on. So one part is really the consumer that just uses its PC to go to Windows and to go to on the internet for email, for day-to-day little things, going to Facebook. But there's a subset of that is an enthusiast. An enthusiast. I've always been an enthusiast of Windows. What's that? An enthusiast is somebody that not only has or likes the operating system and the computers, it's somebody that actually loves dealing with new stuff in Windows, loves it's a hobby. It's more than just using the PC for a few things. It's your computer has become a hobby. It's become something that you center around. An enthusiast can be an enthusiast of Linux. There's a lot of them. Can be an enthusiast of Mac. There are enthusiasts of Mac OS. I'm an enthusiast of technology in general, but I am an enthusiast of Windows. So we are a different breed. We are the ones that love playing around with the settings, that love changing things around, that love when the Insider program brings us new features, that loves to try new things. We are the ones that want those new features. We're a very different type of people than the average Windows user in general. So we are very different, and we can't be, we're the ones that are happy with new features, pretty much not everybody else. And that's the way it is. But an enthusiast is somebody that really takes it a step further. It's somebody that is actually, loves using a computer, loves using Windows, loves tweaking, loves changing the hardware, installing software that might, introduce something interesting as a new feature or do something that we want to do that is not part of Windows at the basics. So we are kind of crazy people that love computers, Windows, and technology in general. This is what you call an enthusiast in general. Windows insiders tend to be mostly enthusiasts because they are the ones that will want to, tweak and play around with the system and see the new things before everybody else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.